Kien hemm 3 raġunijiet ewlenin li waslu biex Partners Healthcare li huma parti mill-Iskola Medika ta' Harvard issieħbu fil-proġett fil-qasam tas-saħħa f'pajjiżna. Għal Gilbert Maġġ il-kap eżekuttiv tal-istess organizzazzjoni. Maġġ semma bħala l-ewwel raġuni il-miġja tal-Iskola Medika ta' Barts.
That one of the premier medical schools in the world was going to start a medical school here. We were then intrigued by the vision that Vitals Global Health gave. That is, that they wanted to really redesign medical care here and that it was going to be available for the entire population. We were very interested in their commitment to the quality of medical care that was going to be developed. We were very interested in their commitment to developing research that was relevant to the population of Malta.
Partners Healthcare hija sistema ta' kura tas-saħħa f'Boston u għandha sptarijiet ta' tagħlim prestiġjużi ħafna fosthom l-Isptar Ġenerali f'Massachusetts. Anke jekk jaħdmu ma' diversi pajjiżi u gvernijiet madwar id-dinja, il-viżjoni tal-Gvern Malti kienet attrajenti wkoll.
The government clearly recognizes that healthcare needs to be improved, it needs to be redesigned, it needs to be more cost effective, that it needs to be advanced at a level that does not consume healthcare resources. When Bart's Hospital comes in as a second medical school in the country, this creates an enormous opportunity to make the country of Malta really a focus of medical education, a focus of medical research, and a focus of medical care.
Maġġ qal li diġà bdiet sew il-ħidma mal-Vitals Global Healthcare biex jiddiżinjaw mill-ġdid is-servizzi ta' riabilitazzjoni. Għandhom tim sħiħ f'Boston qed iħares lejn ir-riabilitazzjoni fl-Isptar San Luqa u kif se jkun estiż fil-komunità.
When we saw the potential for rehabilitating St. Luke's Hospital, bringing this wonderful structure back into life to provide specialty care and rehabilitation care there that is clearly needed on the island. This becomes a very exciting project.
Fuq kollox il-proġett tiktar minn 200 miljun euro fil-qasam tas-saħħa huwa wieħed kbir. Dan f'dinja li qed tinbidel fejn is-servizz tas-saħħa isir dejjem iktar kumpless.
Medical care is very complex, but it has to be redesigned in a very thoughtful and a very collaborative fashion. So when we started these discussions more than a year ago, we were really intrigued by the vision that both the government of Malta had, as well as the vision that Bart's Hospital had, and the vision that VGH had.